Hello friends, welcome back. Hearty welcome to you. Let's look at this interesting example. We have been given that triangle ABC is right angled at vertex B. Circle C1 inscribed in triangle ABC. Circle C2 touches AB, BC and circle C1. Express radius of circle C2 in terms of R. That's nothing but radius of the circle C1. So how to do this problem? For that, first we'll try to draw this diagram. We'll try to get a right angle triangle ABC. We'll try to draw the circle C1 which is inscribed in triangle, and also we'll try to find out how circle C2 will be located so that it touches AB, BC and also circle C1. So let's have look at the diagram, how it looks like. So this is how the diagram looks like. Triangle ABC is right angled at B. Circle C1 is inscribed in triangle ABC. Then circle C2 touches AB, BC and also circle C1. So we have to express radius of circle C2 in terms of R. So to move forward, we will leverage that in radius or in center of a circle is equidistant from all the sides of a right angle triangle, and we know that AB and BC are tangents to the circle C1, so we should have 90 degrees wherever the point of contact is. So by that we can find out, or we can locate where is the center. So let me just do that. We'll try to draw a straight line. So that's the center, and we know this angle is 90 degrees and also this angle is 90 degrees. So we have a square and we know this radius is equal to R. This is also R. Now what we want is we want to express radius of circle C2. Let us say circle C1 radius is R, circle C2 radius is R dash. So we have to find out R dash in terms of R. So what we will do now is we'll try to join these 2 points. I will say this is C1. We'll try to join B and C1, and since it is a square we know BC1, and we'll try to equate it with respect to combination of radius R and R dash and try to find out the relation between R and R dash. For that I will be joining B and C1. So let me go ahead and join B and C1. We have joined B and C1. Now let's first try to understand how to find out this. We know radius R and we have to express R dash in terms of R. For that, first we know that this, let us say this point is D and this is E. We know that BEC1D is a square. So what is BC1? BC1 is diagonal of the square. BC1 is diagonal of square BEC1D, and we know the side of the square is R, therefore diagonal is root 2 into R. Now but what is this diagonal equal to? So let's try to understand that. For that I will take the center of second circle as C2, and the point where we are having here, let this point be G. Okay, then how we can write BC1? Let's understand. I will say BC1 is equal to nothing but BC1 is equal to, now what I am trying to do here, if you understand, is I am trying to divide this BC1 into different parts so that I can express the relation between R and R dash. BC1 equal to, can I say GC1, that's nothing but C1 to G plus B to G. Okay, and we know GC1 is equal to R because from center to any point. I will just write down, we will go to the next step, we will keep GC1. We know now that GC1 equal to R. we'll go to BG. Let's understand this now, how this is. We have BG. What is BG? Nothing but, BG is nothing but G C2 plus B C2. Now BC1, let's substitute the values now. BC1 equal to root 2 R equal to GC1. That's nothing but center to any point and circle. That's nothing, radius R, plus GC2. For the second circle, the radius is nothing but R dash plus BC2. This is where we have to be very careful. Let me take that small triangle which we are having. Let us say this point is D dash. Like we have one square BEC1D, we have another square now. The square is BC2, and we can see that BC2 is equal to root 2 into R dash. So what we are trying to do now, we know that BE equal to EC1 equal to R. We know BC1 equal to root 2R. We are trying to divide this into different parts so that we can have relation between R and R dash. BC1 equal to BG plus GC1. GC1 is R, and then left out is BG, but BG is nothing but GC2 plus BC2. To understand this square, small square, I have drawn the diagram again here. We can see that BE dash C2D dash is another square we are creating, and its diagonal will be root 2 R dash, which is nothing but equal to BC2. So we have now root 2 R equal to R plus R dash plus root 2 R dash. So can I take R to one side? I will have R into root 2 minus 1 is equal to R dash into root 2 plus 1. Or can we say that R dash equal to R into root 2 minus 1 divided by root 2 plus 1. We'll rationalize this, multiply to rationalize the denominator. We multiply with root 2 minus 1, both numerator and denominator. Then when we simplify, we will have this is equal to R into root 2 minus 1 whole square divided by root 2 into root 2 is 2 minus 1, which is nothing but equal to 2 minus 1 is 1 in denominator, so it's nothing but R into root 2 minus 1 whole square, which is equal to R into root 2 whole square is 2, 2 plus 1 is 3, minus 2AB, that is 2 root 2. So R dash is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 into R. So that's a solution of this particular problem. Let me try to recap this and summarize. Triangle ABC is right angled at B. We have been given a triangle ABC right angled at B. Circle C1 inscribed in triangle ABC. That means we know that angle where the point of contact of the circle with the right angle triangle legs will be 90 degrees. So we have angle C1E B and also angle BDC1 equal to 90 degrees, and BEC1D is a square. Circle C2 touches AB, BC and also circle C1. We have to find out the radius of circle C2 in terms of R. So what we have done, we know that BEC1D is a square. That means diagonal BC1B equal to root 2R. But what is BC1? BC1 is equal to BG plus GC1. GC1 equal to R, and BG is equal to BC2 plus GC2. GC2 we know is R dash, and BC2 is nothing but the diagonal of the square BE dash C2D dash. That's a small square we are forming inside the circle C2. So that diagonal is root 2 R dash. So we equate root 2 R equal to R plus R dash plus root 2 R dash. We get R into root 2 minus 1 equal to R dash into root 2 plus 1. We can find out R dash. A little bit of rationalization will give us that R dash equal to R into 3 minus 2 root 2. So I'll catch you once again with an interesting example. Thanks for your time and support. Please do let me know your feedback. Thanks again. Bye for now.